Good morning. The sun has come back. After a few days, we've been having a lot of rains in Pondicherry. And we are going to proceed with solving some phonetical problem. In my last vlog, we analyzed the sound je. I hope you all got it correctly. I hope you practiced it. In today's video, we are going to see something unique, something special. A sound that is not that easy. It does exist only in French. It is the sound U. Believe me, I have not seen it in any other language. It needs some practice. And French will never be French if you can't pronounce it correctly. The first day itself, when we teach the students the sentence Je suis étudiant, the pronunciation we get for the word student is étudiant, étudiant. The English influence is also great for this sound. English? This language is called a diphthong. For every vowel, they have two sounds. Like for instance, in the alphabet, we say A, B, C, D. The British say A, two sounds. I, two sounds. O, two sounds. U, two sounds. E is the only vowel where there's only one sound. In French, we don't have this issue. Each vowel give one sound. A, E, O, U. So how do we correct this U, this U into a U? I know of 3 exercises. The first one, let me tell you something. All the students don't have this problem. Some of them get it on the first go. The first exercise that I offer is when you're saying U. Concentrate on the tip of your tongue when you're saying it. U. The second exercise, you have to say E. Like when you say cheese for a selfie photo or any other photo, keep every muscle of your mouth as it is and try to say oo without changing, especially not the lips. Nothing should change. Listen. You can only say you. You cannot say oo. It's impossible with the position of the jaw or whatever parts of the mouth. Maybe this will work also. Try. Then there is a third exercise. The sound U is located somewhere between, on one extreme E and the other extreme U. If you go slowly from E to U, you have to cross through. You have to pass through that sound. Listen. It's like Om. It's going to be funny. I hope you got it. I'll do it again. See. Do it slowly. No hurry. Don't say EU or ilu. There is no jerk. There is no pause. It has to be in one flow. You do it many times and consciously try to see if you are getting the sound U as you are passing through that. And then the next step is see. Once you think you got the sound U completely, that means what? It has finished being a E And then before it starts being a oo, you give a break and then you say u, 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 u. Third step, you do the same thing and then repeat it with all the consonants that come to your mind. E, su, ru, lu, mu, lu, etc. It needs practice. And this sound, whenever it comes, it makes this language very beautiful. And one more thing before we split. Governments have announced lockdown. Online classes are the best at this time. Don't give a break. Don't wait. If you give a break while in the process of learning, you will lose everything. Enroll right now and continue with online classes. Professors of the Alliance Française are the best. They are trained. They can give you the best. In the next vlog, we'll analyze the sound R. Till then, bye-bye.